Welcome back to Acid Hot, on top of the senior brother of all the television when they inside the Obodo the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this is the ogbonge program. We give you license to talk as it debut for body. And so far, we don't discuss two important issues inside this our Obodo Nigeria. One, the action film when they happen for Ekiti State. And two, the talk when the Oba of Lagos talk on Sunday when some Igbo leaders in quote go visit them for in palace. And Nkubi, we don't come back collectively. Make we condemn them more. Make it not be like say now only me talk.
No, of course, now collectively we, I and Chukudi, Nkubi and Chukudi, we don't talk and we go see they talk and they go.
As you they talk, maybe they put sir for the back of this thing. Say I and Chukudi sir. Okay. We want to say sir.
Okay. Maybe they talk and simultaneously now.
No, you talk and first. I go come emphasize on the thing when you talk.
Okay, I and Chukudi, Oba. We dey talk am sir. Say sir. That talk where you talk sir.
He get as he be.
He get as he be.
And monkey
for
and
the
inside.
unity of Lagos and for now papa he be to us. And now you dey respect it they go. But sir, and now peace we go the one make it they preach about. No be to come they talk wetin go make people dey vex.
Thank you.
So we dey condemn am sir.
Thank
so
you.
No pass like that sir.
After
all we don't condemn some in the past. People don't talk with they talk. They condemn am. So we will still condemn this one because now for our own sake and for the sake of Lagosians and Nigeria at large.
With all due respect, sir. You understand? Tribalism, na problem for this country. Make we not go.
No, na big issue.
Na big issue.
Big issue for this country.
People when study history, people when like to read history, no say for this country, some people now say, hey, now this place I come from.
Now say no, make we talk. I'm not even talking to some people. Majorities of people, based on where you come from, you always like to take side. Say because of say this person they come from where I come from. For that reason, now that person will come from where I come from. Now I go give my vote. Now I go approve to. You don't even want to know whether the person is good or not.
Thank you. But
which is wrong.
Who will come talk this one? Say for our generation. You know say Oga President Ogunlokebele Jonathan when he starts in campaign, he talks say his own generation don't fail. For our own generation. All of us, they want success. Exactly. We they work towards success. If na Yoruba person, you understand, when be Nigerian, now him go be my partner. When we say we go dey successful, do what we do together. I go work with them. Of
course, now Chukudi, listen,
thank you very much.
Listen to me. I'm not trying to just. I don't want to say are they too tribalistic. Look at it. If you get two friends or more than three friends, maybe two. Come from your particular ethnic group or your this thing, and one come from the under person entirely, and you can't say okay out of these your friends now this person will come from another ethnic group now they close to you.
What be the reason?
You relationship. You understand?
Could be adults. Make I talk and the way Martin Luther King take talk. You see, we they choose our friends based on the content of their character.
Exactly.
If the person is a good person, when go make you better, when go move you forward.
Just stick with
not whether the person come from this place
not
or that
where
place.
He come from.
Stick with the person and move the person forward.
After all, we know they marry ourselves. We know they marry your girlfriend or your wife to be. No be Yoruba woman.
No, you no go just bring that one. We they talk something. Just
no. I just ask.
Wait,
that question I ask.
Now that's the political. We they discuss politics. Just roll.
If you turn back to me, talk my own. Talk about my own.
No, calm down.
If you talk to my own self, now from
Cameroon.
No, I never mentioned Cameroon.
So we they appeal to everybody. Say make we maintain the peace. Make we dey calm. We know say some people now, whether we like them or not, some people go take advantage of the situation to use score political points.
Yes.
But when we they talk, we say make everybody open their eyes, make everybody dey wise. Some people go on use that opportunity sow the seed of discord and hatred.
No, the seed of hatred among people. Say among the political party, among the particular set of people. Say because of say these people talk the seed, don't become advantage. Make we use them. It's an opportunity for us to tackle them and destroy their personality and everything about them.
We say no to it. Collectively, we say no. Because Nigeria and our country now all of us get them. Unkubi, make we no come dwell too much on top of this issue.
Yes.
April 11th elections.
Yes.
Gubernatorial and state houses of assembly.
Yes.
Yesterday, from the discussion when we get, we see say the way when they go, PDP go win almost all the whole states for inside Nigeria. because of the chairman of the PDP, Adamu Mwazu, talk say they won't retain their 21 states and then go win additional states to make them 24. And the way when the thing they go.
Wait. You know, say normally, if I will also borrow from your own talk, from one of your major words that they use, Oga Mwazu don't talk, and me, I go also see him as a fallacious statement because he just make talk. You know, means in talk, not just talk. In the end, hold on. In the end, the people go decide who they will vote for.
But Unkubi, not the Unkubi. Wait, I get problem with you. You just collect talk from my mouth. Come make me look like I don't know what I talk.
No, I'm not talk say.
PDP, wait, excuse me, sir.
I'm not talk say no talk so.
Excuse me,
but
sir.
But then we go say and say na talk.
Unkubi.
And that talk that they fallacious.
Unkubi.
Because in the end, nobody go decide who people go vote for.
Unkubi.
Now people go out, go vote for, and what if they no vote, you don't even reach half of 21 what they mentioned?
Unkubi, PDP,
or 20 something states they mentioned.
As we speak this moment,
as you speak,
PDP they control 21 states, I mean they know they control 21
now
states.
the condition to take talk say you want to re-elect them back.
Why you can't tell me say make I say na fallacious say which
no fallacious in the sense that say in talk say then go win, then go win 24. Be how many states you mentioned?
They go win 24 states.
For election we never hold. For election we say people never decide who they want to vote for.
But how many they control now? Maybe 21.
At the moment they are controlling, they are still in power. But the election will go also decide whether now still 21 they go be or 24 or less than 21.
Okay.
They come up this weekend.
Okay, Unkubi, more start state and capital now.
Mention.
Which people they sure say they go win Abia State because of all the good work when they don't do for that state? Abia State. Abia State.
If the election in Abia they free and fair, PDP no winner.
Unkubi, that's a fallacious statement. That's a fallacious statement.
We know what they got.
Okay,
we know what they go for Abia. We know what they go for Abia.
What did they go for Abia?
Enough frigging.
Which enough frigging?
We know.
Which enough frigging?
We know.
What
We
do you
tell
know?
ourselves a good truth.
Governor don't come, don't do work.
Governor, Chodoji. Chodoji. He don't start because he knows say sincerely he no do anything.
He no build express. He no build flyover. He no build bridge. Because he know they come and they talk say I did this, I did that. That's a silent governor.
Abia people wey dey watch us, I beg. I want from na church mind. The moment to throw our phone line open, make na also Chook mouth for this thing. Talk whether. Anyway, let us.
Okay, Unkubi, leave Abia.
I beg, make na throw our phone line open, make people dey call.
Okay, make we Anambra election no go hold, gubernatorial election no go. Make we go Imo. Talk true. Emeka he go winner, abi he no go winner of PDP.
Yeah, it could go.
No be it could go.
Listen, it could go either way.
No, don't say that.
It could go either way.
This is not a lot. Not be coin.
After all,
people go
let me now make it
vote.
very clear to you.
What do you want to make clear?
In the election we bring or Hakim enter power. Shebi people with the bank say yes, so see now PDP Abga. Eventually, who win?
Which party or Hakim dey?
At that time, not be PPA. Before you can't say, you can't let us switch over. You win under no other PPA. People will carry them for mind. No ever for once imagine saying go win that election.
Why they know imagine saying go win the election?
In the case of Abia, in the case of Imo, you never can tell. And what if another party wins?
Unkubi right now.
Outside these major political parties.
Unkubi right now. I'm leading you 2-0. Abia 1.
You're a criminal.
Imo 2. Enugu State.
Enugu. We fit talk say. We fit talk na Abia. Na PDP.
Thank you very much. Ebonyi State.
But hold on.
No, 3-0. Don't tell me hold on. Ebonyi State.
Ebonyi could go to Labour.
He's not going to any Labour.
It could go to Labour.
He's not going to any Labour.
Ebonyi could go to Labour.
He's not going to any Labour.
I tell you, Ebonyi could go to Labour.
He's not going to any Labour.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you very much. No, be 2-2, 4-0.
In fact, 3-1. I need a lead.
4-0.
3-1.
Abia, Imo, Enugu, Ebonyi. Let's come down to.
Not the judge and based on incumbency.
Let's come down to the south.
Not the judge and based on incumbency.
Let's go to the south now.
Okay.
Akwa Ibom.
Akwa Ibom, two strong people.
Which two strong people?
It could go either way.
He's not going anyway.
It could go either way.
5-0. River State.
And they follow this.
We must do am.
You dey do Ojoro?
We must do am.
Big time Ojoro.
Abi you need more light. You need more light to see wetin you dey.
No. Me.
River
State.
State.
All eyes dey very clear. I don't need any extra light.
River State.
I have light here. If light, bring all the touches where they here, where they this premises. Bring and come here. Say now take. They know whether my result dey clear or not. Me, I know.
Unkubi, River State.
River State. River State could go either way.
6-0. Cross River.
The Cross River, okay, PDP.
7-0.
Okay.
Bayelsa.
Bayelsa. I'm not mention that one.
8-0.
Chukwudi, and they answer you.
Which you know the
all your 008.
You must answer me.
And they answer anything.
Okay, let's come down to the.
Chukwudi, and they answer
No.
anything.
We never even finish.
If we go look the score so far, if we go look the scores, Chukwudi, listen.
Election no dey hold for Edo. Election no dey hold for Edo.
Now 4-4.
That one.
Now 4-4. Ojoro they do. You self knows no Ojoro they do. So we not call tell me that one.
Okay. Oyo State.
Oyo could go to anybody.
Thank you very much.
But APC get the strong hand.
9-1.
Now APC get the strong hand.
They don't get anything.
I they said, we know say they come from local jar and that, anyway, make we good morning, sir.
How you dey?
We dey fine, Oga they said.
My brother Chukwudi, how you dey?
Good morning, Oga.
Chukwudi tell you saying don't switch.
You say wetin?
Chukwudi tell you saying don't switch.
You don't see wetin?
You don't switch, you don't change party.
No, you never switch now. We remain what we are.
For you, okay.
Oga they said, na Kogi State you come from?
Yeah? Me na from Kogi. Na Kogi I come up from.
Abeg, just help us analyze the political gymnastics wey go happen for Kogi State and tell us who you think wey go win.
Political strength.
I tell you, Chukwudi, this one no be say na matter of anything, but me na full Kogi here, na they born me. So na Kogi indigene I be. You know, our brother will be PDP like us, he know they touch even, he never move one sand come up from anywhere. He no do anything for us at all.
Maybe he won't bring granite now. We don't pass sand. Now granite he won't carry and block.
Chukwudi, make I tell you, the man don't even do anything at all. If you know who they call Captain Idris Wada, governor of Kogi State, he no do anything at all. Even if people, you know what did they kill our own state? They put our politics for only one side.
Now that's what they talk about. Ethnicity.
So, it's not ethnicity something. So, we don't pray say 2016 we'll go do election, but we must come other man, I beg.
Okay.
We don't tire.
I got to say, thank you very much.
So, that could be 9-2. 9-2, na the only person we don't call to support you.
Hey, I don't go talk again.
9-2.
Let's make them they call the answer.
Ogun State.
You know now, I know if only I give that one.
We know now, 10-2. 10-2. Yes, now 10-2. Okay. Okay. Election no dey happen. Okay. Nana, they call us from Niger.
Nana, good morning.
Good morning.
Nana, good morning.
He's not from Niger, from Abuja.
Okay, from ABJ.
Oh, Nana from Abuja.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay.
So Nana, where you come? What be your state of origin?
Mimi. I'm from Anambra State.
Okay, now they hold election.
Now they hold election. For that Niger where you they live.
I'm not living in Niger. I'm in Abuja. The person that lives.
Sorry, no verse. We know say Abuja na
Federal capital
territory now.
Okay, but on the matters we don't throw for ground, we don't talk about. You get anything to chook inside?
Huh? I want to ask Nkobi something before I chook mouth.
Okay.
Nkobi.
Yes.
Why you say only Chook go call his name and his father's name, but you only your name you could call. You don't get father name.
I get father name.
You don't get son name. Yes.
I get son name.
Make it a call and make it know.
No worry, I don't go. I just stick to Nkubi.
Is that right? I want Chook mouth for this Oba Lagos of 18.
Okay.
Now, we had him. The world in general have had him. All the Obas, all the traditional rulers in Nigeria, they had him. And we have even watched the video clip. Many people have watched it because he tried to deny what he said. Now, the ICC prosecutor in Nigeria, I think she also heard what he said. Let us try to understand something. Say, from my childhood, how I know Obas or chief or traditional ruler, they say that people they promote peace. Those people they talk anyhow. They talk anyhow. Now then they promote peace. But this one way Oba can't talk. Make say nobody is a monopoly of violence. You should understand that nobody is a monopoly of violence. This one way in talk now. I want APC as a party because now them in the support. May they come condemn this thing because this thing now people go begin to say APC now their agenda be just to be destroy and scatter things. Because this thing where this man talk now is they paint bad picture for them. They paint very bad picture for them. And as I beg our President Jonathan, this kind of thing not be something where they take soft. Nobody no take and soft. This man is you could say made them just dethrone the man. Because before person go become Oba or chief, now from the character of the person, the time go look, say, now this man they perform well, this man they do well, before they go give a many title. But today, person go get one political appointment in office, and after stealing money from there and become so rich, then he will buy his way into a chieftaincy and become chief of so place and begin to mess up the place and begin to act like Aburo in Park. This is what is happening now. Because if he's not acting like Aburo, he's not supposed to speak this kind. Because informate, where I come from, if chief speak this kind of thing, according to your tradition go to hunt the person.
Yeah.
You understand me? As people were there, I'm coming. As the Igbos were there, Lagos, he's supposed to be protect the interests of people. For my place, would they protect interests of foreigners more than indigenous?
Yeah.
Ghana, you don't make very important point. We know, say, if we allow you talk, you will continue to the talk well. As we don't talk on top of us in the hall, say, coming from anybody, we no go accept that kind of statement. And now we don't talk, say, it's not good for country when we say, na Nigeria. On that note, we go take this call again. From the same Abuja, this person, na Chinedu. Oga Chinedu, good morning.
Oga Chinedu, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chinedu. Be like say the network dey shake. And because of say our network, we want to try balance am. We go quick rush enter market. When we come back, we will continue our discussion as e dey hot. Now still as e dey hot on top of the chairman television station, and today na 3-course meal as Oyibo people dey talk, and then we carry come. The action film for Ekiti State, the talk when the Oba of Lagos talk, and the April 5th gubernatorial and state houses of assembly elections. Nkubi, by waiting we don't see for here, it is obvious say the PDP chairman Adamu Mwazu say in dey correct for waiting in talk say the PDP go win 24 states. Because out of the 21 when they control, in they very, very sure say they go still win that 21 because the people don't see what the governor don't do and they appreciate what the governors don't do and they will come out to vote for them on the election day. I thank you for accepting, say, like that, the thing will be so that we go go forward. Thank you very much once again.
You see me respond to your talk?
As I dey count, you've been the green now.
You just be like nobody dey talk. As I dey, yes.
As I been the count, you been the green now.
All your talk now like breezy be to me.
Adeset from Kogi don't come talk your own.
Adeset wetin he talk.
Nah, don't come, don't talk your own.
No, tell me wetin Adeset talk.
Adeset talk am now, say for Kogi State, say the way when things they go for the state. Say sand no dey Kogi State again. I make the governor no they carry sand. Say they expect.
There's no people don't talk again, Chook, because the voice of the people is the voice of God, and the people go decide whether na 21 states PDP will eventually hold on to if when the election can go. So that moment
it is very important. Make we emphasize this thing because the way when things they go for some states, it be like say na invitation to anarchy and confusion.
But you could
because even for APC, for Rivers State, for example, the APC come and talk say in the last 6 weeks, say 56 of their members now don't buy, and then they accuse, they point finger give the PDP say now them they responsible for the payment of these people. So our security people they need to dey at alert.
Of course, because this is it. Because this is more like this is no longer a federal or a national election where we say now just they vote for the central government. But these are not like these are the batches, these various states. And that is when at this point in time our security officers supposed they at alert pass to make sure say they ensure say security do it in date and that for every state where election will take place. On that note, make we quickly collect this call from Angela. Angela, they call us from KD, that is Kaduna. Good morning, Angela. Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, and Chinedu, are you waiting for your name?
Chukwudi.
Angela, agree to. I bet Chook for the matter we will discuss. Anyone, feel free.
You talk about Abia State governor do something. You don't do anything, no. I marry Abia State man. Nothing is do. I will not vote for him again.
So now you marry Abia State man, you can't come out, come and talk, say your husband governor don't do anything.
Angela, don't talk your mind. Talk about CBU for body. Thank you.
Okay, you don't do anything. You could be telling me true.
Thank you.
Angela, I bet where you come from?
Me, I from Cross River.
Okay.
You come from Cross River. Thank you very much. Say you come from Cross River. What do you think of the government of Lee Elimoke? And who you think say go win the election?
Oh, no, they're not PDP now. You might know.
Thank you very much. Because it don't work, Abi.
Yeah, don't work.
Angela, you not think say because of say Governor Theodoji?
No, put because of anything here. Angela, thank you for calling. Don't make your point. I would not accept your point. Thank you very much. No, listen to Chook again.
Okay, now.
Who could be abeg? No, wait. If I
No,
wait.
No, they put word for person now. The person don't talk.
Me.
Don't try convince her. No be court case today. Audu, please talk to us from Mina. Good morning, Audu. Hey, we don't lose Audu. Now Audu for even because Audu when they come from Mina go call, you go dissect Mina case political terrain as it be and talk who go definitely come in because we don't dey see the sign say no be.
Unkubi, I take beg you for this show. If I dey follow call and dey talk, no dey collect talk from my mouth.
We dey court case. We dey court case, so you go try to the impose talk on and say, no, I want you to say this. No, don't you think? Na court case we dey. Abi they do debate. We dey follow do debate if they do debate in the first place. She don't talk, na her opinion she talk. Leave her to her opinion. Must you always tackle person when they say the right thing? Don't look at me that way, young man. Your eyes cannot threaten me. If say this your eyes, say if it take a steep person, no, if you see me still.
Our people when they for us, they always they talk and say Nigeria and our country, go spoil.
Thank you.
Make all of us join our hands together to move our country forward. Oga Presido don't talk and say we need to make sacrifice for this country. The president-elect General Muhammadu Buhari don't talk and say na collective will. If we join these two things together, it means say irrespective of where we come from, that is our state of origin or the language where they speak, Nigeria are one, and now all of us will move this country forward. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke, with our eyes still on the election when they come for April 11. My name is Chook.
And my name now Unkibi, until tomorrow. Chukudi, because that's all this talk.
No,
it make your body calm down. Because there's no point staying here because they say, what do happen? What do happen? What do happen?